Hakim Mohammed Said, a true friend of children. Pakistan is the land of many heroes, but some heroes don't carry swords or wear uniforms. Some carry books, love, and dreams, and they work quietly, changing lives. One of those amazing people was Hakim Mohammed Said, a kind, wise, and generous man who spent his whole life helping children. He didn't just dream for himself, he dreamed for every child in Pakistan, and worked hard to make those dreams real. Hakim Sahib was born on January 9, 1920, in Delhi. Even as a young boy, he was thoughtful and kind. He often asked, "How can I help others?" And do you know what he dreamed of? A world where every child could go to school, stay healthy, read books, and feel loved. That dream stayed in his heart forever, and it grew bigger with time. Hakim Sahib believed that education was the key to a better life. That's why he built schools like Hamdard Public School and Hamdard Village School. He placed them in a magical learning city called Madinat al-Hikmah near Karachi. Even poor children could come and learn for free. In these schools, students didn't just learn subjects, they learned values like kindness, respect, and confidence. But education wasn't enough. Hakim Sahib also wanted children to be healthy. He knew that a sick child can't learn, play, or grow happily. So he built hospitals and clinics where children were treated with care. These places help kids grow strong, heal from illness, and feel hopeful again. Hakim Sahib loved books, and he wanted children to love reading too. In 1954, he started an amazing magazine called Hamdard Naunehal. It was full of fun stories, puzzles, poems, and adventures, all in Urdu. Kids loved it, and they still do today. He even started the Naunehal Book Club, where thousands of children became members and readers for life. And guess what? He wrote more than 100 books just for children. Hakim Sahib didn't just talk to children, he listened to them too. He started the Naunehal Assembly, where children could share their ideas, give speeches, and learn leadership. He even arranged international children's conferences with help from UNESCO, UNICEF, and WHO. He showed the world that children have ideas worth hearing, dreams worth sharing, and voices worth respecting. Hakim Mohammed Said didn't just build schools and hospitals. He built dreams, hope, and opportunities. He treated every child like his own family, and even though he is no longer with us, his love, books, schools, and clinics are still helping children today. His message was simple: with love, knowledge, and health, every child can shine. Thank you, Hakim Mohammed Said. You were a real hero for children. You taught us to believe in ourselves, to help others, and to always keep learning. We promise to follow your path, to grow, to dream, and to make Pakistan proud. You'll always be in our hearts. Thank you. From every child who got a chance because of you, may your light continue to guide us forever.
No voiceover, kids' voices shouting enthusiastically. We want to watch more videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your ideas or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Stay awesome!